think the key thing is to get everyone involved, whether it's the head chef or the front of house staff. The more people that are aware of sustainability, the more people are going to be on your side and want to make a difference. This is as simple as just having little checks, whether it's 5-minute walk around the site, make sure equipment's switched off, or whether it's engaging collateral and training that really engages staff to do more when it comes to sustainability.
So in terms of improving operational efficiencies with frontline staff, you could be thinking about in terms of how do we make their lives easier, allowing them to see their schedules far enough in advance, making booking time off easy. I think sometimes where there are recruitment issues and staffing shortages, the few people that are already employed then end up carrying a lot of extra work, which makes it difficult.
If I was to call out the 3 key things, and I'll take it from a utilities angle here, I think the first thing they should be looking to do is pick up with their energy supplier to make sure they can get a smart meter installed, because typically you can see a 12% reduction by actually getting that visibility in the usage data. The second thing I would recommend to improve their operational efficiencies is getting an energy survey, and what this will allow you to do is get that kind of belt and braces type view of your pub and actually allow you to come up with a plan of action in terms of how you can save energy.
I think engagement with staff for me is a really important one, because it is that frontline operation and it is those people working on the ground in those venues that really have that view of operational efficiency. So I think supporting them is massively important. It works at all different levels within that operation as well. I think venue-specific guidance is really helpful in that sense, particularly when it comes to things like more efficient operations, sort of checklist-based processes to help people to understand where they can make those savings.
New ideas come from people that are working in the company. So I could sit here and tell you ideas that I think are relevant, but that might not be relevant for that organisation. So the best thing that a company can do to improve operational efficiency, to reduce waste, to improve their carbon, is to engage and educate their employees by providing them with the right training and resources so that they can learn about it. Because the ideas will come from them, but sometimes people don't want to give ideas because they don't really know about it. So if you can provide them all the knowledge and education to do that and create a culture that allows people to bring recommendations forward, and I think that's one of the most powerful things a business can do to actually identify some of the waste and the efficiencies in a company.